That'll do. What do we got in here? What do we got? We got some goodies. That's right, headlights. We got the silver instead of that amber color. I think this will look sick with my silver Mustang out there. Let's go outside and look at it really quick. It's this ugly. Like, what happened to these headlights? Look at this. Look how gross this one is. Jesus. So the car looks great as it sits. It's just the front end isn't complete. It used to be complete, but just from sitting outside in the sun and sitting underneath this carport where the sun is glazing down on it, the headlights got all fucked up. That is the face of the car, and that's the first thing you see of that car. So the front end has to look great, and by doing that, I ordered some new headlights. So you can see, they're pretty dull right now. That's because I actually took 500 grit sandpaper, 1000 grit sandpaper, 1500 grit sandpaper to try to get those headlights looking somewhat decent. Now, it did help it, I'm gonna say, but again, they by far do not fit my standards. The whole car has been repainted, as I've talked about before. Why should the headlights be lacking behind, considering everything else on the car is so mint? Why would the headlights be? Now, granted, the car is really dirty. It's almost green from all the freaking pollen. And I know you guys are gonna hate me for this. I won't do it on the paint, but I'll do it on the window. Wash me. I would like to get my headlights put in, then I'll probably clean the car. Another thing I would like to do, you guys would probably agree, with these headlights, since I do have the silver marker lights on the side, I wanna get LED switchbacks. The running lights will be an LED, like a bluish white color. Get rid of that amber bulb. Since I'm going to be doing the LED switchbacks, I would probably think it'd be a good idea to put LED headlight bulbs in. So that is another thing I will be doing, and everything is generally pretty cheap. LEDs are not that expensive. I had HIDs in this before, but they ended up burning out, and I don't really want to go through the hassle of doing HIDs. Those are a thing of the past. That headlight is out. That definitely needed to happen. And I thought this one actually looked more cleaned up than what it was previously before I sanded them. Holy shit, that makes a whole hell of a difference. Way better. And that silver looks really good with this car. Got the left side in. Car is too dirty. It's not gonna really do much justice, but I just gotta get this thing all washed up. Yeah, gotta put those new bulbs in for sure. So stay tuned for that video. Most important part of this car, in my opinion.
Big ass tires, big ass wheels, gleaming.
Holy shit. My car literally looks like it came from Ford right off the factory line. Look at this shit, guys. Yeah. Secondly, those headlights also set that bad boy off. You gonna run them? Run them, boys? Oh my God! Loud as fuck. Yeah. That's loud as shit. You got so serious? That's awesome. That pretty much concludes it for this video. Just a little update for you guys. Got to show the 2 valves some love. I've been showing the 5.0 a little bit more love. Make sure you guys subscribe. As always, keep on keeping on. Peace out, guys.